this lesson we are going to learn more about the AutoSum function and how to properly use it in our Excel document. First, you need to open our sales document. Then what you need to do, if you want to find the total of this one, we learned earlier that you can do equals sum, open brackets, then highlight B2 to B8, then press the enter key or the return key, and you get the results. Another way of getting the results here, the next one, we talked about highlighting the row, going to the bottom right hand corner, then dragging the black arrow key. Another way of doing the calculation is highlighting all the rows that you want the results, plus the negative, plus the blank cell, or the negative, plus the blank cell where we want the results to appear, then hitting the AutoSum function, and all results will be totaled over here. So what if you want the results on the right? Another way we can do it is highlight all the rows plus the column with the total, then press the AutoSum function, and the total will be revealed to us. If you go to the second sheet, which is called non-consecutive, it is whereby the numbers which you want to tabulate are not in the same or adjacent, are not in the same, adjacent, or next to each other. So let's say, for example, we want to tabulate the results over here of all the fruits eaten on Monday, the vegetables eaten on Monday, and the meat eaten on Monday. But the fruits, vegetables, and meat are eaten by different people. They are eaten by Bob, Alice, and Mary. So how do we tabulate the results? So what we can do over here is put the equal sign. Then we can say sum, open bracket, we highlight the fruit, press the control key, click on Alice's fruit, and notice that Excel is putting a comma after B2, then click on Mary's fruit. So we've highlighted Bob's fruit, Alice's fruit, and Mary's fruit. Then once we press the enter key, that result is going to be tabulated. If you want to do for the vegetables, we do the same. We do equal sign, then you write sum, open the bracket, then we select vegetables, press the control key. We have gotten the vegetables for Bob, we get the vegetables for Alice, then we get the vegetables for Mary. Once we have all the data, then we press the enter key. Now for us to tabulate the meat, we do the same, equal sign, sum, open brackets, we select meat for Bob for Monday, then we press the control key, then we select meat for Alice, then we select meat for Mary, which is 0 because she's a vegetarian, then we press the enter key. And that is how you do the AutoSum function for non-consecutive numbers, or numbers not next to each other. When you open a worksheet called Quick and you want to find the totals for the ninth row and the totals for J19 for the column J and also J9, what we simply need to do is highlight all the totals, all the rows that we want to be tabulated, plus the area that we want the results to be displayed, including the totals of the J column. So the results will be calculated down here, and the totals of the horizontal will also be calculated over here. So to repeat once more, the results for the rows will be tabulated on the J column, and the results for the columns B to I are going to be tabulated over here. So if you want that to be done automatically, we just press the AutoSum function on the ribbon and we receive all the results. And that is how you use the AutoSum function to do basic math in both consecutive and non-consecutive worksheets or rows or columns or cells. See you in the next lesson.